everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, and today I wanted to hop on here and say hi to everybody. What are you working on? I have so much I'm working on, but I would like to see what you're working on, so leave me comments. What are you making? What are you crocheting? What are you knitting? What are you doing? Crafting? Leave me comments with photos on Facebook. If you are on Facebook watching this, make sure to leave me a snap picture of what you're working on. You can always snap me. I'm on Snapchat. You can find me YARNutopia, and I just love seeing your snaps of your crochet projects. You guys are so awesome. I just love seeing those. So, but today I do have a few things I want to mention and talk to you guys about. First thing is something super exciting, actually. YARNutopia is going to be partnering with Dollar General this holiday season in benefiting a campaign that's going to be benefiting St. Jude's Hospital. So it's called the Holiday Decorating Challenge, and what we're going to be doing, I'm super excited about it. We are going to be working with a very limited budget, and we're going to go to Dollar General, and we're going to come up with a unique design for either an entryway or a tablescape or some type of home decor for the holidays. So those of you who are working on a budget, you can go to Dollar General, purchase some fancy home decor items, and put them together and make your entryway or your table for the holidays super fashionable, fabulous, and wonderful for everybody to talk about during the holidays. So it's really cool. So make sure you look for that blog post. I will be posting that very soon and showing you what I come up with. I will probably be having my mom come and help me because she is amazing at design and just like putting things where they should go, and just she has that eye for that kind of thing. So she'll be helping me with that. And like I said, this campaign is going to be benefiting St. Jude's Hospital, which we all can agree they've done so much for childhood cancer. And so I'm really excited to just be helping and giving back this holiday season. And I'll share with you in the blog post on how you can help with St. Jude's Hospital this holiday season as well. So stay tuned for that. Another thing I wanted to announce to everybody, because I am in the giving mood this holiday season, is that I normally give away my free patterns on my website or on YouTube, and you have to actually go to my website and view my pattern. And I normally sell my PDF file digital downloads where you can go to my Etsy shop or my Ravelry, and you can, purchase with a little small amount of money, purchase the actual download, and then it downloads a file into your computer or your device, and then you can take the crochet pattern, the written pattern, with you wherever you go, or you can print it off and use it or whatever. So a lot of people like to do that. So what I decided that I'm going to do is that on a Friday every month, on one Friday every month, it doesn't matter which Friday it's going to be, I get to choose, which is exciting, and it could be a surprise to all of you. And on one Friday every month, I'm going to allow a free digital download of one of my patterns once a month. So one Friday every month, I'm going to host a free digital download of one of my patterns. So I've never done this before, and I'm really excited to do that because I'm really just feeling the generosity and the giving feeling this holiday season. So I'm going to do that for indefinitely. So hopefully soon, maybe this Friday, maybe next Friday. The way you will find out is if you are signed up with my newsletter. I will be announcing it through my newsletter. So make sure you sign up with that. The link to sign up for my newsletter is in the description of this video, so make sure that you sign up with my newsletter. And you can also be a fan on the Facebook, or you can be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. I will be announcing which Friday or like ahead of time when the pattern is going to be available for free. Now, the pattern is going to only be available for free for 24 hours. So Friday to Saturday is going to be the time slot. So you have to jump on this, because after then the 24-hour period of not being, you won't be able to download it then after that. So I am going to have all of these instructions in my newsletter, and I will post which pattern then on once a month. You'll get a free pattern from me for free to purchase, or not to purchase, just for free, but to download into your computer or your device and print it off, take it with you wherever you want to go. So it's a really exciting thing. So because I usually sell my patterns, the PDF files, so I just want to give more stuff for free. I can't say that enough. Free stuff. Woo! Anyway, that's one thing. Another thing. And the third thing that I want to talk about today, because I don't have much time, Nasser's napping. I know I was going to bring him in this video, but he just fell asleep and he's been struggling with napping lately. So I'll try to put a little clip of video though. He's been laughing so much lately and just being super goofy. So toward the end of this video, I'll try to stick a clip of video of him of some things I've recorded in my phone. But anyways, the third thing I did want to tell you is that the 12 Days of Christmas project is coming up. I know I've mentioned it before. Every year we do the 12 Days of Christmas, and it's the first 12 days of December. I share each day a new pattern, free on my website, free video tutorial on YouTube, and it is the first 12 days of December, a new project for those first 12 days. So we've got some fun projects. I've got some hats, I've got some home decor, I've got, you know, wearables and home items, ornaments are on there too. There's just a lot on the list. So 12 items I'm super excited about. So I will be posting those in the first 12 days of December, which is so crazy that it's already, next week is the last week of November. This holiday season is just coming so fast. I already have my Christmas decorations up in our house. I couldn't help myself. I was just so excited for it, and Nasser's first Christmas, it is going to be so exciting, so epic for him, and he loves all the lights and just the bright colors and the sparkles and the glitter and everything. So he is so adorable. So those are all the things I wanted to share with everybody. But like I said, make sure to check out the blog soon. I will be posting about our partnering with Dollar General. I'm really excited about that, to benefit St. Jude's Hospital. I am going to be sharing our Free Pattern Friday information in the newsletter, so make sure you are signed up with my newsletter, or if you're a fan on Facebook, I will also post the same information on the Facebook page, probably also on Instagram, all the social medias. And then stay tuned for the 12 Days of Christmas. I'm so excited for it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, happy weekend, and I will see you next Wednesday. Happy hooking!
Nasser, look at
Look at your picture.
What's in the picture? What's that baby?
Is that
Is that
you?
you? What's that baby?